Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sample Alchemy. First, let's get acquainted with the interface. You'll start by importing any audio sample, perhaps a drum loop or a vocal snippet, directly into the main window. Notice the large waveform display, which is your visual guide. Below it, you'll find essential controls for playback and basic manipulation. We'll explore how to quickly adjust the sample's speed and pitch, offering immediate creative possibilities for your sound design projects. Now, let's dive into Sample Alchemy's core manipulation tools. The granular synthesis engine is incredibly powerful, allowing you to break down samples into tiny grains and reassemble them in new ways, creating evolving textures. Experiment with the built-in effects, such as a lush reverb or a rhythmic delay, to add depth and character. You can also layer up to 4 different samples simultaneously, blending them to forge truly unique and expansive soundscapes for your compositions. Ready to push your sound design further? Sample Alchemy offers advanced modulation capabilities. Use the multiple LFOs and envelopes to automate parameters like filter cutoff or grain density, bringing your sounds to life with dynamic movement. For a tactile experience, map your external MIDI controller to any knob or slider. Don't forget the power of resampling. Process a sound, then capture it as a new sample to build an entirely fresh sonic palette for your next track. To optimize your workflow, remember to save your custom presets. This allows you to instantly recall your favorite sounds and unique settings across different projects, saving valuable time. Keep your sample library tidy using the integrated browser, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Experiment freely, knowing you can always undo any changes. When your masterpiece is complete, export your high-quality audio in formats like WAV or AIF, ready for your next production.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.